Today at Mullin Machinery, we have a Deckel model FP3L universal milling machine. It has a table. If you go by the slotted area, that is 39 1/4 left to right and 20 1/2 in and out. The table tilts and it swivels. It's a 40 taper spindle. I know it's in the horizontal. I believe the vertical also. You have 15 3/4 inches of travel up and down on the head. You have 31 1/2 inches of travel left to right, and you have 11 3/4 in and out. The spindles, both I guess both the vertical and horizontal, travel 3 15/16 of an inch. Looks like all original paint. Currently wired for low voltage 3-phase. Table's in good shape. I don't see any tool marks in it. There's your electric box. FP3L. You have some boilers behind this door. It has an NMTB 40 holder in the horizontal right now. I don't have the keys in it. I just stuck it in there so the drawbar doesn't bounce around. The rig is pulled the weather tight on the wire going to the motor, but the wires are not cut. They just damaged the loom. There's a cover on the back there. We just didn't attach it in it. This comes with a cabinet. We do have the front door, just miscellaneous belts and wood in the bottom. Here's some kind of wood cover on the top for when you take the vertical head out. Here's some other kind of wood cover. In the drawer, you have four NMTB 40 end mill holders and one in the machine. And you have, this looks like a Morse taper to 40 with the female thread. Oh, male thread, use a female drawbar. And there's a face mill holder, a couple of shell mills, some miscellaneous wrenches for the shell mills. Another drawer, another large NMTB 40 holder, some standard Deckel, the small collets, and a handful of the large Deckel collets, the ones that I guess go right into the 40 taper. There's also an adapter to use the small collets in the large collet holder. Here's another adapter here. There is some kind of Deckel alignment bar. There's no thread on the end and no spaces. There is a Deckel horizontal milling arbor. I do not have the horizontal support. I do have some more miscellaneous Deckel wrenches. Bear with me, I'm by myself this morning, so I have to put the camera in the stand, but we'll run it for you. We did have a request to run the Rapids, that's why I had to remake the video. The spindle. We put it, run the Rapids feeding up. The head is feeding up right now. We hold the lever, it feeds up fast. Pull it down, it feeds down fast. You bring the camera over here so you can see it a little better. You'll see the horizontal quill. Looks like, as far as I can see, feeds out manually. I'm not sure if there's a power feed. I haven't read the book. There's feeding the horizontal quill out manually. It says 3 15/16 there. That's right there. 4 inch of travel. Same thing with your vertical. You have some quill travel there with the handle. Okay, so if we There we have the table feeding to the left. And if we hit the rapids, see it spinning fast, and the whole column is moving fast to me. Feeding to the right. There it's spinning fast, going faster to the right. We'll feed, I'll feed out first. Wait, let's see what this is. Oh, that's up and down. That's left. Oh, out is this way. Okay, we're feeding. This is feeding the head back. Feeding the head out with the rapid. Go faster, but I have trouble holding the camera and getting this done. Let me see if I can put this in the holder before I run out of space on my disc. There we go. So we have it on. Oh, the wrong one. Wrap it out. There it is. Wrap it back. Wrap it to the left. Wrap it the other way. Wrap it down. We'll go faster if I push harder. Wrap it up. Just wrap it down. I'm not quite sure how the different speeds on here. That's high speed. Low speed. There you have it. All the functions are working fine. You can check this out on our website, mullinmachinery.com. That's MULLIN machinery.com for all your tool room and fabricating needs.